Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to create event and share with your Gmail. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, it's like example, you want to send any person email with Google Calendar with event. So in this video I will share with you by step how you can create those things. Example here is, you can see a email I received from my friend, or one of my another email I just send just for test. So here you can see this is email, and I want to replay this email with Google Calendar and create an event. It's really easy and simple. First of all, you have to open that email and then click this dot icon, and then you will see here there will be option create event. Simply click that and you will appear. Here you have to type all the details about your event. Example, I'm going to type here my event title. I'm going to type here tomorrow morning, very important meeting, and then I'm going to set the date, I'm going to set the time, what time I'm going to hang out. So I'm going to add this, I'm going to add here 10 a.m. and then 2, and then also you can choose the time zone. You can add another time zone, whatever you want, and then click OK. And also you can add the location if you want, and also you can add here add conference. You can add no conference, or you can add choose hangout. And also you can see here notification. When you will get notification, it will give you notification with email. You can add email, or you can choose notification. And then here you can also attach some details about your event, etc. And then also there is another plus point. You can also add other person to join this event. So you can choose any other email, and then you can type anything. And if you want to remodify guest, you can choose this, and then simply click on save. And then you will see a new screen appear here. You would like to send invitation email to Google Calendar guest. It will say like this. So just simply click on send, and it will immediately go that those person you had added. And now if I open my other email, I will see here that event will appear here. So you see just now I received that email in my other email. Here is subject appear, and the date and the time, etc. So I'm just open this, and you will see this is how exactly looks. It will appear here, and that tomorrow very important meeting. The subject is here, where the location and the time and the email address, the person, and here you can see the details about that meeting, etc. So you can see a video call, join video call. So all these things will appear with Google Calendar attached. So this is really pretty good. So this is how you can send anyone email with Google Calendar and create an event. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.